What happens when you fall into a black hole? It's a question that pulls at the very fabric of our curiosity. Picture yourself drifting through space, approaching a region where even starlight disappears. This is the edge of the ultimate abyss, a place where the laws of physics break down. To cross this boundary is to enter a realm from which nothing, not even light, can return. Black holes are born from the collapse of massive stars, crushing matter into an infinitely dense point. Their gravity is so powerful it warps space and time, devouring everything in its path. As you approach, gravity stretches you in a process called spaghettification. The true threshold is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once crossed, escape is impossible, all paths lead inward. At the center lies the singularity, where matter is crushed to infinite density, and our understanding of physics fails. Here, science ends and imagination begins. The singularity is the ultimate frontier of cosmic mystery. Let's look closer at these cosmic giants. A black hole isn't empty, it's matter packed into a tiny space, with gravity so intense nothing escapes. Imagine our sun compressed to the size of a city. A black hole is even denser. The event horizon is the ultimate boundary. Cross it, and you vanish from the universe's view. To an outside observer, you'd appear to freeze and fade at the edge, but from your perspective, you cross in moments. Inside, space and time swap roles. All directions lead to the singularity, your unavoidable future. The singularity isn't just a place, it's a moment you can't avoid. According to Einstein, it's where gravity and density become infinite and physics breaks down. Many physicists believe this infinity signals our theories are incomplete. We need a new theory, one that unites gravity and quantum mechanics to truly understand the heart of a black hole. Until then, the singularity remains a cosmic enigma. It's the end point of collapse, the final resting place of all that falls in. The mystery deepens the closer we look. The singularity might not be the end, it could be a gateway. Some theories suggest black holes are entrances to tunnels through space-time, wormholes. These cosmic shortcuts could connect distant parts of our universe or even different universes. On the other end, there might be a white hole, spitting out matter, never letting anything in. If wormholes exist, they could allow instant travel across galaxies or even time. But there's a catch: wormholes would be incredibly unstable, collapsing instantly without exotic matter to keep them open. We've never observed such matter, and it may not exist. So, while the math allows for these tunnels, nature may not. For now, wormholes remain a beautiful, unattainable dream. The possibilities stretch the imagination even if reality keeps them out of reach. The event horizon is a perfect cosmic sensor. Nothing that crosses it can return. We can't send probes or receive signals from inside. It's a fundamental limit of physics. This leads to the information paradox. Does information vanish in a black hole? Hawking showed black holes emit faint radiation, but it seems to erase all details of what fell in. Some theories suggest information is stored on the event horizon like a cosmic hologram. Others propose a black hole's core could spark a new universe, a cosmic rebirth. Maybe our universe was born from a black hole in another cosmos. The truth remains hidden, but the questions push science forward. Though we can't see inside, we're learning more about black holes than ever. The Event Horizon Telescope captured the first image of a black hole's shadow, confirming Einstein's predictions. Gravitational wave detectors like LIGO and Virgo let us hear black holes colliding, revealing their secrets. Each discovery tests our theories and expands our understanding of the universe's extremes. What lies beyond, a singularity, a wormhole, a new universe, or something stranger, remains unknown. That mystery is what makes black holes so compelling. The edge of a black hole is the edge of our knowledge, inviting us to explore. The universe doesn't owe us answers, but it inspires us to ask. In the darkness between the stars, the next great leap awaits.